Okay, let's start out with an easy one here. Um, they want us to identify the angles here. It says each regular polygon has radii and apothem as shown. The radii are in the kind of turquoise blue. They go from the center to the vertices. The apothem makes a 90-degree angle, is perpendicular with the sides from the center to the sides, 90-degree angle. So, okay, let's find the angles. Well, angle 4, you can see that if it's a regular polygon, it's splitting this 360-degree rotation up into 4 equal amounts. So if we take 360 divided by 4, we get 90. That means that angle 4 is 90. Okay? And you can see that angle 5 is just half of angle 4, because when you draw the apothem in a regular polygon, you're going to split the opposite side. So you get this equals this, right? Those two lengths are congruent. And you get the same here. You get this angle and this angle are congruent. So that makes angle 5 45 degrees. And of course, then if angle 5 is 45 degrees, and therefore this other angle over here, this matching angle is also 45 degrees, and that makes angle 6 45 degrees as well. Okay, so you got angle 4 equals 90 degrees, angle 5 equals 45 degrees, and angle 6 equals 45 degrees. You're going to need to be able to identify the angles so that you can use trig or special triangles to solve for lengths.